Hey, look, I got a fan mail. Let's see what it is. America's #1 meal kit. 10% off. Or 10 free meals. Mac memory. Crazy. I just happen to have this screen up on my computer right now. It's weird how convenient that is, that somebody would just send me some memory right when I needed it. Let's see if I can figure out how to replace it. It's been going really slow, so hopefully that'll work. You having a good day? Good. Hey, finally, okay. Here we go. It's amazing how they really get crammed in there. Quick.
Pretty simple. Let's see.
Pretty simple.
Close dot.
Let's see. An open and close dot.
That's why it's been slow.
Maybe that's why it's been slow. So much dust. Well, that's ugly back in there right now. But it turned on. I think I plugged in a couple extra USBs that I didn't need to plug in. I guess I'll find out in a minute. Or 5, I don't know. Who knows? So far I'm not seeing anything too impressive about how fast it's going. I didn't expect to. But I do know I went from 4 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes. So hopefully that helps. And your battery is about to die. So at any moment, we're going to go to this camera. Might as well do it now. Maybe.
The anticipation is just killing you, isn't it? I definitely plugged in extra drives. I see them. Hey, look. 16 gigabytes. Okay, battery's dead. Have a good one.